Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another tutorial. And today it's all about jungle braiding. Yes, so welcome again. If it's your first time to cross by, thank you so much. You are welcome. My name is Glory Mtui, and please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So in today's video I use Darling Hair color number 19. This is black mixed a little purple, also rubber band and gel, but I used shine jam gel. So straight away I started by dividing the section I'll work with it. I apply some gel to make sure the hair there are smooth and easy. After that, I use this section of braiding hair. I divide it into two. One side I make sure is smaller than other, and small side I cross middle of the big size. This is big size and this is small size. I make sure the hair they are even, and my thumbnail will be under this braiding hair, while the next finger will help me to hold braiding hair with my natural hair together. And this small section I will wrapping on top of my hair and my braiding hair. Maximum of wrapping is 3 times, and after 3 times you have to hold the side you're wrapping, then divide your braiding hair into 2. If your natural hair is also you hold big section, you can divide also your natural hair into 2 sections, but if it's small, no need. Then the first section to braid is the section you're wrapping with it. Then continue braiding. Here I braid several times before I start make jungle, and I pull just small section, and you have to pull going up. Then I go several steps. Then I pull again. Very small hair, just make sure you pull a little long. No need to pull a lot of hair. A little section, just make sure you pull a little longer. Then the jungle will show out more well. And every time you have to make sure you pull right and left side. Then keep braiding. Then pull again. After you pull, you have to make sure you put your hair well, because when you pull, some braiding hair will look a little roughly, so you have to make sure you make the hair well before you continue braiding. This will make your braiding hair to look more clean, but if you continue with that roughly section, the hair will show out. I don't know, should I say the hair will stand? Yes, like this. Then keep braiding. The good thing to start with 3 strands from up is the hair section will be even, so it will not hard for you to continue braiding. Before I tie with rubber band, I make sure I cut to avoid it to tag the unnecessary hair on top, and then I make sure the hair there even again. Then I clean all hair the second time. Apply some gel on your natural hair. Make sure hair gets enough gel. Then take your section, divide into 2. Small section will cross middle here, and this is how you're supposed to hold your hair. Before anything, you have to make sure your braiding hair they are even. Thumb finger will be under this braiding hair, while the next finger will help me to hold natural hair with braiding hair. Then I start wrapping second time, and this is the third time and the last time. You can wrap 2 times to 3 times maximum. Then divide your braiding hair into 2, and here you can decide which side you want put your natural hair, either middle, right side or left side. All sides there okay. You have to make sure the braiding hair cover your natural hair. Then start braiding. And in this style, the jungle, I didn't put so close. I make sure I go a little steps, like 7 or 8 steps before I pull another jungle. I just put a little far from each other, but if you want to put more closely, you can go after 3 steps, just pull out a little section, then repeat the same thing. Then continue braiding. Pull the hair again. Very small section, honey. And it says, have you subscribed to my channel? If not yet, kindly subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. So in this strand, total I put 3, 4, 5, 6. This round, each braiding I put 6 jungles. But in case you cannot use your nail to pull this jungle because maybe your nail they are too short, you can use this kind of comb to pull you a section. So after you braid, just take a little section, pull out just like this. And when you're pulling out, you have to make sure you'll not pull your hair, just pull braiding hair. Go several steps, then pull it again to the next side, then continue braiding. Use your comb, pull it again. You have to make sure you pull a little longer to make your jungles to show out well. But I don't know, personally I feel using my nail I can go more fast and I can feel it well more than use comb, because comb I cannot feel if I want to pull my natural hair or I want to pull braiding, but with my nail I can feel it well and I can feel the amount of hair I want pull out. But honey, just find an easy way that works better for you. So I continue braiding till end of this braiding. Honey, before you cut, you have to make sure the hair they are even. Sometimes when you put your braiding hair in other angles, they may look even, but after you cut, you find the hair they are not even. So you have to make sure the first time you cut fewer and keep some space in case you find the braiding hair you are braiding is short or longer, you can cut it again. Make sure you make the section twice before you trim or you clean all the excess hair. This will help you give you clean and neat hair more than just to compare one time and the second time you clean everything. So you have to make sure twice the section they are even before you go ahead and trim or clean all the excess hair. And here I almost done with this hairstyle. This is the last section, and I do the same thing. And another thing, the good thing of using this method of preparing 3 strands before you start braid is the hair can move all sides. I mean, with this style, no limitation of which style you should style your braiding hair. This method, your hair can move all sides, right, left. You can style any style you want. But honey, before we're done with this tutorial, please leave your comment in comment section. Tell me, how do you feel about this hairstyle? Will you rock out this jungle braiding? style. This is such a protective style, very cool style. Tell me, how do you think? What do you feel about this hairstyle? Even if you have any other option or you have any other suggestions, please leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll try as much as I can to answer all comments. I'm done with this tutorial, and this is the final result. This it is. And I go ahead and I add some accessories on this hairstyle, which take this hairstyle to another level. You can style like this way, or you can style like this way, or you also can style like this way. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on notification bell. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.